Okay, this is a video for the group leader. Very simple. You're the leader of your group, so it's important that a couple things happen. One, you keep track of time, right? Make sure if I say come back in 5 minutes, you guys come back in 5 minutes. Two, you make sure everyone's voices are heard. You don't want one person just talking the whole time. You can welcome in others. And then three, you make sure that you answer the questions and that you're ready to share out for the group. So let's pretend you're group two. You can either scroll down to group two right here, or you can just click on this and then click and it'll take you there. So you don't have to write anything here, but it is important that you keep track of the participation tracker. You don't have to write, but keep an eye on it. And then make sure that you answer all the questions here. So all you're doing is you can start the conversation. It's probably best if you start it and say, okay, here's what I think, or okay, Lucia, what do you think? And get the conversation going. What do you think we should bring on an island if we can only bring three things? Someone else is taking notes, but you're making sure that everyone is involved in the conversation. If somebody is talking a lot, you can always just politely say, thank you, Lucia. I want to hear what other people have to say. Wes, can you share out? Or, Jaime, we haven't heard from you yet. Can you tell us what you think? As it's getting close to time being up, make sure you're like, okay, guys, we have 30 seconds. We need to wrap up and come back. But make sure also that you've answered all questions. Hey, guys, we only have 30 seconds. We need one more item. What should it be? We have to move quick. Additionally, when you come back to the whole group, you are going to be the one to share out for your group, right? So when you return, feel free to go down to the notes and you can just read or paraphrase, summarize what's written there, but it's also going to be your responsibility. So one more time, the three things you're doing are starting the conversation, right? All right, here's what I think. Okay, Jamal, why don't you start us off? What do you think about X? Keeping track of time, making sure you come back at the appropriate time. And three, making sure that everyone is involved in the conversation. If one person is talking a ton, politely include others and allow them to participate as well. And I guess maybe this is for your sharing out when the group comes back.